Huh? Are you grunting at me? Was I putting on deodorant? Yeah? You need some? Okay. Is that good? Are you okay? Got enough? Got the dinky underarms? Okay. I did. You got some. You're okay now. What? What, do you think you need combed? Is that what's wrong? Is there a hair out of place? Oh, I see it. I see it. Hold on, I'll get it. I'll get it. This one? What one? What? I know. I know. What? I know. What are you wanting me to do? Oh, I put on my serum, didn't I? Did I put on serum and Angel didn't get to? Ah, that's what her wanted. Her seen me put my serum on, didn't she? Oh, does that make her feel better? Is your skin so soft? Oh, Angel, you're radiant. You're beautiful and radiant. Yes. You done now? Huh? Is that what you needed? Is that all you need? Oh, does her legs need shaved? Huh? You need, yeah. Okay. Okay, what about that one? Did you put, yeah? Okay. Oh, you are ready to take on this holiday weekend. Don't you think? Huh? Don't you think? Maybe a little bit of brushing here. And a little bit over there. What do you think? Oh, you look beautiful, Angel. You look simply beautiful. Oh, yes. Are you ready to get your party started? Huh? Are you ready to get this party started? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, she is, isn't she? Well, let's get you a diaper on. Let's get her diaper on and get her little party started. Yes. Let's get that little party started. Yeah.